People are so proud with Terelo and disappointed with Vuyokazi. Terelo might get a promotion very soon, and maybe Musamsaleko might consider her as his favorite daughter-in-law. Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. People are so proud of Terelo's behavior yesterday. So let me tell you what happened. It's in Ghana's Temple Season 2 episode at 11. We all know that we are all waiting for Vicky to arrive. So before that, the sibling Umpilo set up a picnic for all the siblings with Mpumelele's girlfriend and ex-girlfriend. So they decided to go to the picnic where Vuyokazi remains behind to wait for Vicky. Within a minute, and then Vicky and Vuyokazi arrive. So Umpumelelo was like, to Terele, can you please come sit next to me? So I want to see the view, honey. So Vicky and Vuyokazi arrived. So they decided to sit down and they started a conversation. And then Vicky went on to ask Umpumelelo a question. I mean, they did not inform her about the breakup. You know, she was making things. She was saying that they were in their relationship. She was explaining a lot of stuff. So, but people are very impressed by Terele to handle like a queen. She did not entertain the drama yaka Vicky no Vuyokazi. The picnic setting was never the correct place for Vicky to confront Umpumelelo about their personal stuff. It is a sibling outing. It was just a sibling. I mean, the way they were addressing Umpumelelo, I mean, Terele decided to be the queen, and that she decided to keep quiet and mind her own business. And people are saying that Utirelo, she is winning this game compared to Vuyokazi. I mean, Utirelo, she's wise. I mean, she is going to be Mam Kulu with the how she reacted to life. So Utirelo, normally she does not entertain when it comes to certain situation. She would just keep quiet and laugh. So people were saying that maybe the way she's behaving, the way she's begazzling in this relationship, she even mentioned something on a direct section that she does not have a problem about, I mean, Vicky talking about their past, what happened in Cape Town, because there are more than 10 girls that propose Mpumelelo, and she does not have a problem. She can even come with 10 girls that can even propose Mpumelelo. So to her, it is not something new. She's aware of the situation, and people are saying that Uterele, she knows how to build a family. Uterele, she's really giving Mam Kulu Makumalo survive. I mean, she has the qualities of Mam Kulu Makumalo. If you've been following Utano's term, where you all know that Mam Kulu, people are really they don't like the way Makumalo respect Musamselek. I mean, she always agree with everything. So Uterelo, I mean, she's doing the same thing to Mpumele, and people are saying that hi bo sana, how many hearts do you have? Because how many times were you going to Begazela? But Uterelo was like, yes, I'm gonna Begazela, and this is my man, and I'm gonna stay in Dotaya. I'm gonna stay. I'm not going anyway. So anyway, guys, some are very proud of Terele for handling Uvike and Vuyokazi, because first of all, and people are saying that Vuyokazi, she's trying so hard. Firstly, it was the family. Right now is the friend. Like at the end of the day, she just need to accept that Umpumelelo is not coming back, or maybe she just need to accept that Umpumelelo he's gonna do whatever he wants. If she really wants to stay in the relationship with Umpumelelo, maybe she must accept the choices that Umpumelelo is making about his life, wanting Sipo to be the first wife, and then Vuyokazi might be second, maybe Utere might be third position, because we all know that Utirelo even mentioned, we still remember on, I think it was season 2 episode 7, when Mpumelelo went to pay damage to his first girlfriend. The first person to inform it was Utirelo. It shows that maybe there's something that Utirelo knows that we don't know, because it seems like Mpumelelo and Utirelo, they have a best, beside the relationship, they have the best friendship. They are friends. Like you can tell that he was very comfortable when talking to Terele about everything. Maybe it's because Utirelo does not judge him. I don't know why, but Umpumelelo is very comfortable when it comes to Terele. It's like Makumalo and Musa. Have you seen how comfortable when Musa is talking to Makumalo? Anyway, guys, tell me in the conversation, what do you think about this situation? Do you think Utirelo might end up being Mamkulo, or else being the Begazela is not the solution? Anyway, guys, tell me in the conversation, what do you think? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take